Our today's topic is energy. Energy is the capacity or power to do some work. It is a scalar quantity. Since it is a number, so it can be positive or negative. We can also say energy is a calculated quantity that is conserved during any change, that which is transferred when a force does work. So in A-level mathematics, M1 mechanics 1, we will only discuss kinetic energy and potential energy. So what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is that a body possesses because of its motion. That is, if an object is moving, it has kinetic energy, and if the object is at rest, its kinetic energy will be 0. How to calculate kinetic energy? Its formula is half times mass of the object multiplied with the square of its speed. So we can say kinetic energy is equal to half m square of v. The unit of m is, that is mass, is kilogram, and the unit of speed is meter per second. And the unit of kinetic energy will be joule. Consider the example, very simple example. Find the kinetic energy of a body of mass 3 kg moving at 5 meter per second. Take your time, I will be right back. So as we know that the formula of kinetic energy is half mv squared, just replace m and v with the values 3 and 5 respectively. Use your calculator and get your answer. It will be 37.5 joule. Similarly, we can find the change in kinetic energy. Change means loss or gain in kinetic energy. So it is final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Now what is the second form of energy here we will discuss, that is the potential energy. So we can say potential energy or gravitational potential energy, both are same. So the potential energy of an object is due to its position. As kinetic energy was due to speed, the potential energy is due to its position. And that is, the object must be at certain height. So we can calculate by the formula mgh, or we can say weight multiplied by the height. So dear students, when an object is allowed to fall from higher level to lower level, it gains speed due to gravitational pull. That is, it gains kinetic energy. We can say that when an object is falling, its potential energy is decreasing and its kinetic energy is increasing. So height of an object is above a specified level. Generally, it is mentioned in the question, and below that level, your potential energy will be negative. Consider the example. Very simple example again. Find the increase in potential energy in rising a sack of 1 kg through a height of 3 meter. So as we know that the potential energy is calculated by mgh. So put the values and get your answer. I'm using 10 for g. Generally it is 9.8. So you will go according to your what is given in your question. Otherwise you can choose 10 or you can choose 9.8. The unit of potential energy is again joule. Inshallah, the further detail will be in the next lesson. Thank you.